The reason we maintain assessment documentation for the Level 3 Certificate in Assessing Vocational Achievement is to ensure that we run our qualifications in accordance to the awarding body's requirements. Basically, if we fail to do this, we will lose the ability to run courses, which will ultimately close the business. Therefore, maintaining assessment records by the book is essential. Now we look at the same scenario from the learner's perspective. If you do not maintain your assessment records for the Level 3 Certificate in Assessing Vocational Achievement, then we'll not be able to apply for your certificate as it won't pass the internal and external quality assurance checks. Or if we were to lose your assessment records, we were to be sampled later, then our learners could lose their certificates and then have them revoked, which we don't want. So you might hear the term called DCS, which stands for Direct Claim Status. And what this means is that once the training provider keeps doing the right things and the quality of the centre is good, the awarding body will start to trust that the centre does the right things, and as a result, they'll allow you to directly claim your certificates without you having to go through the external quality assurance. So every year, the awarding body will ask to see assessment records from some of your learners to maintain your DCS. And if you do not maintain these records, then there's a good possibility that DCS will be withdrawn, meaning it will take longer for you to get certificates. Again, this is not great for business, as this will ruin our reputation. So to sum up, keeping assessment records to give confidence that there is an audit trail of learner progress should a learner lose their work. And this is the advantage of using cloud storage, so that your work is also backed up, which minimizes you losing your work. I've had it before where learners have saved over their own work and it's been irretrievable. And I get that call, Matt, I've lost my work, what do I do? And no problem, here is your most recent version that you've submitted and we've kept a copy of it. So it's useful for us to monitor progress for our learners so that we use software to track learner progress. It's sometimes difficult to know where learners are at any given time. So even during classroom courses, when learners complete Level 3 Certificate in Assessing Vocational Achievement in person, they go back to work and sometimes we don't hear from them. So we need to follow up and check progress. And it's just great to pick up the computer and see these learners are and in this unit and these learners are on another unit. And it means I can have a quick glance and put out study sessions for my learners when they are stuck in a certain place. And I can't stress the importance of audit trails enough, so keeping records of everything to do with assessment and learner interaction. Therefore, emails are really important. Keep everything for the amount of time needed by the awarding body to cover yourself.